Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple men's hairstyle and hopefully give you some tips and tricks to get the best results. For this style you will need a blow dryer, a flat iron, and a round brush. Sam's hair is wet and I have put some heat protectant and texturizing spray in his hair. I will link what I used below. You're going to start by blow drying the hair down in the back to get it smooth and lifted looking. Using your fingers or a brush is totally fine, whichever you prefer. Next, you're going to take your round brush and you're going to blow dry the hair on the top. The point of this is to get a good amount of volume and lift and to blow dry the hair in the direction that you want it to lay for this style. I'm going for more of a pompadour look, so I'm really wanting to get a lot of lift and volume in his hair. Once the hair is fully dry, you're going to take your flat iron and you're going to use that to slightly relax the hair if it's frizzy at all, and you're going to add a little bit more texture by adding a slight curl at the end. Again, it's important to straighten the hair in the direction that you want it to lay and to give it as much lift as you can when you're going through with that flat iron. Last but not least, you're going to apply hairspray. I'm using the Nexus Comb Through Light Hold Hairspray, but of course you can use whatever hairspray you have on hand or whatever you prefer. Of course, you're going to cover everything, and I like to go through with a comb or a brush and brush the hair as I spray it, just to make sure that the hair is going to hold in the way that I want it to. A neat little trick that I picked up from a friend that I really like using when styling men's hair is using the blow dryer in the front while spraying the hairspray at the same time. It gives it a little bit more lift and it dries the hairspray very quickly to keep it in place. And then after you've fully hairsprayed everything, I like to go through one more time and you can adjust anything that you think needs to be adjusted and pull through any of the hairs to give it a little bit more piecey look. Again, this is just your preference at this point. This is what I like to do. But these are the end results. It's looking really clean. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Happy styling, and I'll see you in the next video.